Hey everyone, it's Kailey here with MicroSurvey with some helpful information on our annual maintenance subscription plans. So when I was working in technical sales, a question that I got all the time was, what is an annual maintenance plan and what value does it offer? So to answer that question, I'm going to spend a couple minutes going over what an annual maintenance plan is, all of the benefits that it provides the user, and when and how to purchase this plan for your software. So AMS is a 12-month service plan for the MicroSurvey software that you own. The fee for this maintenance is calculated as a percentage of the retail price of the perpetual software license. Your investment in this AMS plan not only allows you to take advantage of the benefits of the program, but also to partner with MicroSurvey. In doing so, you are helping to ensure that MicroSurvey can continuously improve the products that you use, improve workflows, and make enhancements to the product that will increase your productivity. And these enhancements are not just limited to new product features or bug fixes, but also compatibility with the latest operating systems and other integrated programs such as IntelliCAD and AutoCAD. MicroSurvey also reinvests AMS revenue into other areas that benefit our users, such as MicroSurvey Online School, MicroSurvey Help Desk, and the next generation of customers by providing universities and colleges with free educational copies of our software. So we made a few changes to AMS on April 1st, 2021. Now, when you purchase a new license directly from MicroSurvey or one of our authorized dealers, you'll receive a perpetual license and a 1-year AMS subscription. So while this may change the initial investment of your software, what that results in is increased customer success because you now have access to the latest versions, access to support, and reduced training costs, as I'm going to go over in this video. So with a perpetual license, the license itself will never expire. So if you purchased MicroSurvey CAD 2015 6 years ago, theoretically, you could use that software forever. The reason I say theoretically is because, let's face it, technology continues to move forward. Your old hardware, operating systems, and software become obsolete, unsupported, and are eventually replaced. So if you want to keep ahead of that trend and continue to receive updates to the software and access all of the other benefits of the AMS program, you will want to continue maintaining your AMS beyond the first year. So now that we've gone over what AMS is, I'm going to talk about the benefits of the program, starting with software updates. So by keeping your maintenance current, it entitles you to download and license any new versions as soon as they become available. So this means performance improvements, productivity enhancements, those are going to be delivered to you in each service pack. You don't have to wait for a major release or random upgrade to realize these benefits. So get the latest new features. As I mentioned before, technology and business is continuously evolving. We depend on this technology on an everyday basis to keep our business moving forward. So having the latest software helps keep your business on par and compatible with your suppliers, your customers, your competitors. So by staying current with AMS, your software stays current with you and helps you stay on pace with all of the technology trends. Keeping your maintenance current also gives you access to MicroSurvey technical support. So this is access to MicroSurvey experts whose primary focus is helping users to use their software the most effectively. So they not only assist with installation, licensing, defects, compatibility issues, but they offer users friendly consultation with support reps who know the industry inside and out, as well as the MicroSurvey products. MicroSurvey is also the market leader in self-help, and all of our customers have access to hundreds of hours of tutorial videos and support resources on our help desk. So another benefit of keeping your AMS current is predictable budgeting. AMS allows users to maintain control over their software expenditure. You can include predictable annual payments into your budget planning cycle and ensure that you always have access to the latest version of MicroSurvey. MicroSurvey is also very flexible with their AMS policy, so users can choose their own renewal date. They can consolidate multiple licenses with different expirations to a single date, or they can split it up into as many different dates as they want, whatever's most convenient for them, or pay for multiple years at once, which locks in their maintenance costs long term. And then also the long-term return on investment. It's more cost effective to subscribe to AMS than letting the program lapse and then having to pay for full price software upgrades down the road when you're forced to do so because technology has outpaced whatever you've been using. And last but not least, AMS holders get substantial discounts on MicroSurvey training. So this includes our live training and also our on-demand training platform, MicroSurvey School, which if you haven't checked out yet, I highly recommend. I'll provide some information below. I hope this video helped to outline all of the great advantages that AMS provides its users. The program is really designed to set our customers up for success. We do this by providing access to the latest versions, access to industry-leading consultative support, and reduced training costs. If you have any further questions, please contact your local MicroSurvey representative, any of our dealers, or you can email us directly at sales@microsurvey.com for more details. Thanks so much for tuning in. Bye for now.